be making a pattern for the giveaway. So I will be using some of my old paper. I'm not stressing. I absolutely adore nutcrackers and owls, but doesn't bother me to use this because I have like a lot of it. So like I said, I think I said in my previous, and this one has grids. That's the only reason I'm using it. But I think I've mentioned it before where I've said that I do not usually make patterns. I usually just cut the fabric and go with it. So what I'll do is, let me see if I can. Okay, so you guys can see they have little grids, and I believe they're an inch. Yeah, they're an inch wide. So what I'm going to do first is for the I guess the bottom, the wide, oh jeez, I'm horrible at explaining things, but like that part, which is how wide I want it, I guess that's what I think I want to do it. Let's do maybe 4 inches. So, and I made this kind of bag before, but I don't really have a good pattern, so this is a perfect timing to do this. Okay, so since I want 4 inches to the side of the, okay, so the example is I'm going to be doing this part right here. So I'll have like a seam here, and then, yeah, I don't know if I'm explaining it right. I do not do tutorials very well. I do not explain things very well. My vocabulary is not that great. So I will do my best to explain to you guys. And what the pattern will end up looking like would be, I think I'm going to do a drawstring though. The pattern will end up looking something like that. So this part right here, that's going to be the side of this, and then this part right here will be the bottom of this part. So there's like, you guys see what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna need to be having to do. So since I want 4 inches, I'm gonna do 2 inches, 2 inches, and then this one as well. So all this will be 2 and 2, 2 and 2. And I need to add seam allowance, so I'm just gonna do an inch. So if the bag is a little bit bigger than that, like by 1/4 inch, perfectly fine. So set you guys back down. So I'm going to use the bottom part, and like I said, I want to do 2 inches on one side but add seam allowance for both sides, so I will do 3 inches. So 3 and 3 square. So the 3 and 3 square. So this part I will cut off from the pattern. For the how tall I want it, I supposedly think 8. So we'll just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I might need it bigger. 9, 10. What about if I do 10? No, maybe I'll do, okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I do 10, the thing is, I don't really know how big your guys' yarn is. I'm trying to like do it for that, and then everything else I think will fall into place. Maybe I'll do more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How about 12? Let's do 12. Should I do 12? But then it'll be a 12 by 12. Okay, let me start with the bottom then. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm starting from this side right here, so that way I know, because it's going to be the face of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's going to be a big bag. Okay, I'll just do the 12. 10, 11, 12. So I'll do 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3. And then cut that. Okay, so for sure it'll be a 12. 12. 8 by 12, is that 2? You guys are really seeing my process here. I'll probably be I'm speeding it up here. Let's do 10 by 12. Okay, so then from this square, I will count 10 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then add seam allowance and then add drawstring. So I'll add another inch on top just in case. Watch me be totally wrong, guys, but it's okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. No, wait. No. I'm right. I'm okay. So this is all gonna stay. Oh, that cat scared me. This is all gonna stay because the top is not gonna be. The top is not gonna have the same bottom squares. I'm making sense in my own head. And then 3 by 3. What my pattern looks like. So I'll cut this out and this out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's 12 by, at the end it's 12 by 13. I actually think this is a good size. So with that being said, I'm going to have to add about another 2 inches to do the drawstring up here because I feel like this is a really good size. So this is just the front of it, and then the side, I don't know if I can explain to you guys, but can you guys kind of see that where that bottom piece and that top piece will connect? So double that, that'll be like about 4 inches. So give and take a little bit less than 4 inches. Pattern looks like that. So I will be cutting 2 pieces of the outside fabric, 2 pieces of the inside fabric, and I'm gonna cut another strip for the top for the drawstring, just because if I was planning on taking about 2 inches for the drawstring. I feel like the bag is going to be too short. One of my mom's crochet needles that I kept, and I'm just doing everything. It's not just for crocheters. I just want you guys to understand that, because I know there's a whole bunch of different people that are doing the drawing. It's just going to be a bag, but I'm trying to, you know, make it work for anyone. But I'm just basing it off of one crochet needle. So this is one of my mom's old crochet needles. So I made it to the point where that'll be the top, and so it'll fit, and I have enough room to sew the pocket to the bag. So in the front, that's what it would look like, and then I would have a stitch right here. So that's my pocket. Right now, this is a drawstring casing. I don't know the length. I have to sew the fabric and ultimately decide how I'm going to cut that. So if I'm gonna do a wristlet or shoulder straps. I haven't decided that. And the other thing I haven't decided on is if I'm going to put the pocket in the inside or the outside. And let me show you guys what fabric I will be using. Okay, so I cut the pattern out. So this is gonna be one of the fabrics, and then the other side. So it'll be the inside and the outside. 2 pockets. This is the wristlet to hold the bag, and everything's flying away. And then these 2 pieces of fabric are going to be where the drawstring is at. So in the previous video, I forgot to do the wristlet because I'm not going to do the handles after all. I decided to do the wristlet, so that's the pattern right there. So yeah, so the next step with doing this is putting it together and see how it comes out. I just didn't have a yellow or green, like any other color that would match this fabric. So since the little birds have black and white, I decided to go ahead and use the black and white checkered, which is a little bit thicker. It's a canvas, so a little bit more sturdier. But there you guys go. There's that, my pattern. I'm glad I made a pattern, because if this works out, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, so I finished the bag. So I put a pocket in the front, wrist, so you can hold it in your wrist. So you can use this for anything, like literally anything. You can put your toiletries in when you're going out of town. You can put your I don't know, plastic bags. If you have plastic bags, you can put your yarn in. I mean, it's endless. So this is, looks like in the back. It is a flat bottom. And then let me go ahead and show you the inside. Like with just this peeking out. You can also make this reversible. So let me go ahead and show you that the other way with the checkered and then the sunflower showing. And both sides, both inside and outside, do have the handles and a pocket. So there's a pocket in the inside. So this is the inside out. Also has a pocket. It has the handle. For this, on both pockets, I did double stitch just to reinforce it. I did put the needles in. It works perfectly fine. And then let me go ahead and show you how it looks like with this. This is what it looks like this way. I put plastic bag just to keep its shape. So this is what my winner for my giveaway this month will win. I do have some other little things that I want to put in my my winners. My, what is it called? my winner for my own giveaway. I am gonna make something else that's more paper home crafty style, because like I said, I do paint, I do paper craft, I sew, I do a whole bunch of stuff. So I will include something else that I handmade, just because, you know, that's what I want to do. Anything. This is a bag for anything and everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk to you guys later, and probably sometime this week I'm gonna start working on the grand prize winners projects, so sewing projects. So I'll show you guys that. Okay, I have to share this really quick. This is from my hermana Linda, Crochet Chica. But look what she got me. Okay, she got me a card. I can't show you what else she mailed me, because that's something that's gonna be coming up pretty soon. But she made me a coaster a long time ago. I don't know if it's on private because of music. She made me coasters like primary colors, and those are in storage. But she made me one that's brown, and it's so freaking cute. I do use coasters a lot because my my cups sweat. And then she got me this little mug. Look at its little ears with the leaf. It's so freaking cute. Thank you, sister. So I'm gonna go ahead and text her right now, but I really wanted to show you guys that and share with you. She is super talented, super talented, but I can't show you what's in that box right there. But anyways, you guys, it's a very quick small video, but hope you guys have a good day.